I'm going to teach you how to use the today function in Excel in just 2 minutes. If you need to work with the current date dynamically, the today function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with a list of hire dates for employees in column B. We want to calculate the tenure of each employee based on these hire dates. To get started, let's begin by entering the today command. The today function takes no parameters and returns the current date. To use it, type equals today, open and close parentheses in the cell where you want the current date to appear. Since we want to calculate the difference between today's date and the hire date, we'll use this function in a formula. In our example, we'll start by selecting cell C2. Here, we'll enter the formula to calculate the number of days an employee has been with the company. Type equals today, open and close parentheses, minus B2, and press enter. This formula subtracts the hire date in cell B2 from today's date, giving us the number of days the employee has been with the company. You might notice that Excel formats the result as a date by default, which isn't what we want. To correct this, we need to change the cell format. Go to the Home tab and in the Number section, change the format from Date to General. Now, you'll see the number of days instead of a date. Now, what if you want to apply this function to the rest of the hire dates? This can be done easily with a single click. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. To apply this function to the rest of the hire dates, simply double-click the green square in the bottom right corner of cell B2. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each cell in the range, calculating the number of days each employee has been with the company. And that's it!